Hi, hello and good morning everyone. Newborn investor here and welcome back to another live day trading video. Hopefully the market gives us some great opportunities today as we're all here to make some money. My intention behind these videos is to capture everything live with 100% transparency so that you get a sense of what it takes to be a day trader. Also, it takes a lot for me to record these videos while I trade live. So if you appreciate the effort and the content, all I ask from you is to hit the like and subscribe button. It means a lot. That being said, let's get straight into today's action. Every day, my routine remains the same. Pre-market, I'll be watching SPY and QQQ to get a feel about the markets. So today, SPY and QQQ is gapping down, which obviously gives me a bearish sentiment. The Feds are meeting today and tomorrow we may see some news regarding the rate hikes and inflation and stuff like that. So today probably can be a slow day, but I don't want to go into the markets with a bias. I'll just watch the chart and play my trades accordingly. Going into market open, I'll be watching Nvidia, Tesla, Amazon and Netflix, with my primary watch being Nvidia and Tesla. As you could see here, Tesla is already curling up. We don't have a confirmation yet on which direction Tesla wants to go. And so does Nvidia. So I'll be watching both these stocks as well as Amazon and Netflix. On the put side, I would like Nvidia and Tesla and all the stocks I'm watching to break the pre-market low and continue lower. And on the call side, I want Tesla, Nvidia, Amazon and Netflix to actually be green in the day, make a new high with strength, and that is where I'll be interested in buying calls. But right now, I'll wait for market open. We do have around 8 minutes to market open. So I'll go ahead and pause for now and I'll talk to you guys at market open. Market is open. QQQ and SPY staying strong. It can be a bull trap. Tesla hitting resistance over here. Waiting. Right now it's strong and you don't want to short when a stock is strong. Now I'll wait. Tesla just gave back all the gains. Around 3 minutes into market open. No trades as of yet. So Tesla on the call side, I'm not confident because of the state of the market. And on the put side, Tesla has to break 893 area. I'm not sure whether it's going to happen today. So maybe today would be a day without any trades. Tesla trying to move from red to green. Failing again, and now QQQ dropping. Nvidia just broke the pre-market low. I'll be a bit aggressive. Waiting. Probably it's going to retest the 223 level and continue down, but I'll wait. 8, 10. I'll jump in. I'm in. QQQ and SPY falling. Giving it some time. 40 seconds for the current 5-minute candle to close. Yep. Taking 5 off. 2 off at 865. And now just holding 3. 1 at 870. 1 at 880. And yeah. Perfect. I think I played it well. That was a decent trade. Now I look to re-add around 223 Nvidia, I missed this ad. Giving it some time. 760 maybe. I missed it. We do have around 4 minutes for this candle to close, so giving it some time to make a move. $760 and placing an order. Yep, I'm in. Oh, I was in 5 contracts. Now I'll add around 225. I thought I was placing an order for 10. It should not be a big deal. Maybe I'll get out. 780. The first trade I got in at 810, then got out at 860, 66, 70, 94, and 902. My second trade got in at 760 and I exited at 791. 31 cents. That's good. I placed my order around 780. I got slippage to the good side. I got out at 791. That was perfect. In this market, you don't want to hold on to your trade longer because things can turn around very quickly. That's why I'm getting in and getting out as quick as I can. Almost 30 minutes into the day, making $750. No reasons to complain. I think markets are trying to reverse here. Not taking Netflix or Amazon because we don't have good options volume. Else these would have been great setups. You see here, it's a resistance, it failed there. Amazon failed over here. Probably my levels would have been around this area, high of this candle. My last would be around this area. But since we don't have enough volume, no point watching those stocks. Tesla and Nvidia actually staying strong compared to Amazon and Netflix. I'll keep watching for a few more minutes. So I've been sitting around for a while now. The markets are going sideways and I think we'll get some action when the Fed announce their policies. So as of now, I'm sitting on the sidelines. Maybe I'll watch for another 10 minutes and probably call it a day. As I said earlier, things are really slowing down and Netflix was a good setup, but volume was lacking. And so does Amazon. Tesla never gave me an entry today. It never broke the pre-market low, but today it was Nvidia, as you guys have already seen in the video. 2 trades, 2 winners, putting me up over $750 in less than 1 hour. I'll take it. So that's it from me for today. And as I always say, my goal here is not to hit home runs, but to make consistent base hits and live another day to trade. I'll talk to you guys in my next video. Until then, stay safe and thanks for watching. Bye.